The conquest for finding the best open-ear headphones is still ongoing, as we've covered quite a few of them in the past on this channel. I saw a few comments asking about these. And funny enough, here we go, here we have them, the Oladance OWS Pro, OpenWearableStereo, the world's first open-ear headphones with a focus mode, which is basically like noise cancelling. So a noise filter in an open-ear concept. What? I cannot wait to test it. They seem to be really popular lately, so is the hype justified? Let's find out. New drip. Got the new drip from Oladance, the OWS Pro open-ear headphones. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. Here we have the box, nice refined box. On top we have this little handle, bottom is just blank, although we have the opening strip right here. We have all the small print on the back, features on the side, as well as on this side. And now the cover will just slide off. So here we have the eco-friendly box, and we can open it up like that. Eco-friendly materials, but still magnetic. Awesome. So we have this and also this with the case right here, and check it out. Nice chrome look. Wow, looks amazing. And up here we have all the paperwork. So this will actually just unfold, but it's glued in right here, so this will just open up this compartment right there. Oh, and we of course also have the cable in here, charging cable, and right there we also have the manual, and that's that. So let's get straight to the accessories. So first of all, we have the charging cable. It's just a little USB-A to USB-C cable right here in black, nicely sleeved, wow. And we have this one right here, bottom, and that's all about the charge case and other accessories and about the company. Nice. And oh, the manual is rather long, so we have the front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we already saw that one. 5, 6 with the app. 7 and 8 with the small print and the specs. Nice, concise manual. Done with the unboxing, and now let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. The case looks absolutely stunning. I wanted to say it's spotless, but not anymore. But yeah, super shiny and nice looking. And right here we have the 4 status LEDs that indicate the charge level. And in here, oh, it's so shiny, wow. This, of course, is magnetic. Very nice. So let's take them out. Inspect the charge case further. So we have the 2 charging contacts, left, right. And inside here we have small print. I guess you can't see it, but it's there. And the whole case has this smooth touch rubber, or rather silicone, I guess. Really nice. And the earphones, they're basically the same as a charge case. So yeah, let's take a close look. Very interesting color scheme. As I said, the charge case as well as the earphones, they share the same color scheme. So shiny silver and matte black, looking really cool. We have already seen this one in detail, I guess. So now it's all about the headphones. They look really cool. So right here from the side, so we can see the microphone holes, the long cutout, and also right here the membrane right there. So large, powerful drivers in here. We have the left-right indicator, and down here we can also see the charge contacts. Everything feels super smooth and nice, and it looks very refined and rounded and just pleasing to the eye. Here the branding on top, of course, and this thin section makes it look even more elegant, really nice. So yeah, I can't wait to try them on. And they're also super flexible, which makes applying them easy. But yeah, super skin-loving materials. Even inserting them into the case is a nice experience. It's so cool. They will pop in like so. And now we can also see, oh, my light is so bright. So check it out. Here we have the status LEDs, and they will light up when you open it up, and these will also light up, as you can see. Beautiful. And when you close it up once more. Not bad, right? So let's get the app, check it out, and then of course test them. So first of all, let's get the app. The publisher is Oladance. That's the app right here. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. So first of all, let's click the plus sign and turn on Bluetooth and location, of course, and give it all the permissions. Yes, yes, yes. It's searching for a device. Let me just open it up so that it's active for sure. Maybe I need to... Oh, there it is. I will leave it open to be safe. So let's tap on it and connect to it. Oh, it will just guide us to the Bluetooth. So all the way down here, OWS Pro, there we go. Pair, there it is. I just heard the sound and they look so nice. Silver and shiny, I love it. Okay, back to the app. So connecting left, right, almost fully charged. That's great to see. Inserting them, just putting them on is super easy. They feel great, by the way. Oh, and one thing that I missed is this touch button up here. And you can use this to slide upwards or downwards or double, triple press it. We'll get to the functionality in a bit. But first of all, let's check out the app. So we have the device tab right here. So down here, we also have your account. We can sign up. It's actually great that we don't need to do this right off the bat. And we have the profile right there. Okay, so you don't need to sign up for the app just to use it, but you can, of course. And right here, we have our model right here. And here we have 4 buttons, basically. So we have this. Oh, and it will prompt us to a firmware update. So let's do it right now. That's always important. I can recommend to do this. Let's see how long it will take. Okay, so that's rather fast. Now sending it to the device. That is not too bad either. So this will take a good minute. The multi-point connection makes total sense if you want to connect it to your phone, no-brainer, but also maybe to your laptop or computer. When I think about it, this is actually a must-have feature. And we can completely reset the Bluetooth pairing when we long press both sides for 5 seconds or longer. Oh, and yet another thing that I missed. Okay, they're currently getting updated. Oh, they indeed have a little power button right there. That's interesting. So many small details, I love it. So each one of these has a power button, but let's wait for the update to finish. Oh, there we go. So we have the on-off button. All of this is capacitive, really cool. But anyways, let's go back. So we have this one right here, where we can control the behavior of this pinch and press area. It is actually really nice to reach, just like that. Just like that, nice placement. So we have the single squeeze, double squeeze, triple squeeze and sliding motions. And we can swipe to switch from the music settings to the call settings. And it's as easy as just swiping up and down. Triple squeeze, volume, answer. Nice, that's perfect. So nice control options to say the least. Next we have this. This is the focus mode. Yeah, it's... Oh my, whoa, that was shocking. It will change your voice so much. It sounds so crazy. Focus mode, wow. And it will create a little bit of this pressure that you also maybe have experienced from noise cancelling. So with that, I'm pretty much sure that this is, yeah, some sort of a noise cancelling tech in there. Really awesome. Next up, we have the equalizer. So we have the sound effects. We have surging bass, pure voice, and customize for a personalized sound. And we have an 8-band EQ, as you can see. And with that, we can also, create, well, we can create a heavy bass boost and also boost the highs. Classic bathtub filter right there. Special low frequency sound effect actually sounds the best, but we will get to that in a bit. And lastly, we have the settings. We can change the name. We have the battery settings, pairing records right there. We have the focus mode, sound balance, hearing protection. That is actually awesome. I would definitely recommend turning this on. Here we can access the EQ once again, touch gestures, body, a bud. That is amazing, nice. And we also have the user guide. We can turn them off, and we have the device info. All right. So great companion app to say the least. And with that, let's get to a sound test. So we have my favorite song right here, and now let's go for the binaural audio test. You will need high quality headphones to experience this as I do. This is a dummy head recording using my head as the dummy. And now when I do this, and now you should hear it going from the left to the right. Pretty awesome, right? That's the power of a binaural recording. And just like that, you can also perfectly hear the sound of these open-ear headphones. So let's go. First of all, clarity test for the vocals, bass test, and then I will switch up the EQ. The vocals sound amazing, great clarity. Oh, that's why the bass was so strong. Okay, so let's go to default and let's see. Okay, and now once again the surging bass. I was wondering, it sounded so different, so the surging bass EQ will change the characteristics of this actual song quite a bit. Interesting. Let's try the pure voice. Yeah, clear mids and highs boost. Nice. So they sound really nice. That is amazing. Let's go back to the default. When you cup them, the bass gets insane. Wow. Single squeeze, play, pause. I can't. YouTube is in the background, so I can't start it. But you can hear the click and double click. Let's activate the voice assistant on triple squeeze. Hello. Perfect. And lastly, let's check out the noise cancelling feature. And for this, I will just use this. I will just use this paper to make weird noises. So without the noise suppression, noise filtering. And now with. Interesting. And now also listen to my voice. And now check out what will happen when I turn it on. It sounds so different. I'm not sure if this has the same effect in the recorded sound, but it's sounding crazy. An open ear design with noise cancelling. That is a massive game changer. So they sound great, they look great, and they have the newest tech integrated, and they also feel amazing to wear. Wearing them feels amazing, super easy to attach, but as you can see, they also have a strong fit. So sport activities, outdoor sports, running, cycling, all of that good stuff should be no problem too. So yeah, massive thumbs up from my side. These OWS Pro are amazing. So these headphones are epic in all regards. And this of course is thanks to Oladance's special OWS formula, which is superior sound multiplied with zero comfort, multiplied with stunning style. Yeah, and this way you can experience a whole home theater in your ears. They look amazing, they feel amazing, they sound amazing. They offer maximal open ear comfort. Thanks to their patented design and skin-friendly liquid silicone inlays that allows them to rest gently on top of your ear. They're so non-intrusive that you won't even notice them, even with glasses. Check this out. No problem whatsoever. They're hardly touching the glasses. Superb comfort all day, every day. No pressure points and virtually unlimited wear time without pain. So great build quality, and what's even better is the sound quality. Thanks to the multi-magnetic high resolution drivers in there with an in-house developed thin and rigid diaphragm and a virtual bass boost algorithm, double chips and a dynamic EQ, you can enjoy a sound experience far beyond current open-ear audio solutions. It is mind-blowing. And to filter out low to mid-range noises of everyday life, they now came up with a special noise cancelling solution, or maybe rather a noise filtering mode, and it's called focus mode. In this mode you will get an even cleaner sound and a more relaxed listening space, allowing allowing for more focused thinking and more productive work. Great battery life and great fast charging capabilities, 16 hours of playback time on a single charge, and you can extend it all the way up to an incredible amount of 58 hours of total playtime, of course, with the charge case. And the craziest fact is that the quick charging only takes 15 minutes for an immediate 6-hour use time. Insane. And of course, they also have tons of other great specs and features like multi-point connectivity, which enables a simultaneous connection to 2 devices. They're of course water and sweat proof. They cannot cause hearing loss or any hearing damage at all, thanks to the open build concept, and you will get the best real-life transparency mode, and you even have a great companion app with an awesome sounding EQ. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.